what I mean? This man over here said dead like a dog.
Two persons died and 5 others were injured during a dramatic car chase and shootout that ended in tragedy along the Lilliput main road and the outskirts of Montego Bay, St. James on Tuesday. The Corporate Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force confirmed the shooting and 2 fatalities. It is believed that a person in the CRV had been involved in a shooting incident in the Rose Hall area and were chased by men in the other car. Both vehicles raced along the Lilliput main road. While driving and exchanged gunfire to the traffic, the CRV swerved out of control and hit a bus before veering into a wall and a light pole. The driver of the CRV died on the spot. The bus driver also died. Several persons were injured in the accident. The man in the motor car, which had been given the chase, fled the scene. The Montego Bay police are investigating the accident.
I told him in there to blood clot. I told him in there. This man over here said dead like a dog. I told him in there. Come back. You sure, man? I'm sure, man.
My baby hurt. My baby hurt.
No, man, she can't walk.
Yo, the man in wrap up in the vehicle. And he tear off on both sides.
And the man gets come back and go so.
Like I worry man in my house and shoot him. Bus driver did. Yeah man.
Welcome again people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.